Today, Lubaga Cathedral celebrated 100 years of existence with a major centenary jubilee for the Ugandan Catholic community under the theme, "The Temple of God is Sacred, You Are That Temple." The event was attended by several dignitaries, including His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the Prime Minister Robina Nabanja, with members of Parliament, the Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, the Most Reverend Dr. Samuel Stephen Kazimba Mugalu, accompanied by Bishop Moses Banja of Namirembe Diocese, as well as officials from the Buganda Kingdom, led by the Katikiro and Priest Daudi Wasaja, among others. In his speech, President Museveni congratulated Catholics on their milestone, praising the magnificent cathedral and noting that Christianity has strengthened both religion and faith. He urged Christians of all denominations to practice good deeds, emphasizing that people will be judged by their fruits.
That Christianity and Islam added value to our heritage. It's not true that we didn't believe in God. That one is not true. We believed in God, all our tribes did. But Christianity brought in some additional inputs, value addition. The concept of resurrection was definitely strengthened. Before that, we had some ideas about Msambwa and so on, but it was not so clear that we could die and that there was life after. That was really real value addition. So, Christianity has added value, and it's good that we are celebrating now. But what we need to do now is to be real Christians. These denominations, the Catholics, the Protestants, the other groups, the Muslims, Jesus' guidance on that was in the parable of the Good Samaritan. It shows you what Jesus, which is what NRM believes in. We know them by their fruits. We don't care who you are, what you call yourself, but what we look at is what you do.
Representing the Kabaka of Buganda, the Katikiro Uwechitiba Charles Peter Maega congratulated Catholics on their 100-year milestone. He encouraged the church to continue advocating for human rights and urged the youth to resist bribery, especially during the election season.
Twenyumiririza nnyo mu ngeri Kereziya eno gyetuusiza obuweereza n'eddoboozi lya Kristo eri abantu baffe ng'eyita mu kugulawo ebigo, amasomero, amalwaliro n'ebintu ebirala. Tukimanyi bulungi nti omulimu guno tegutuukikako awatali bukulembeze bulungi n'okwewaayo kw'Abakristo. N'olwekyo twebaza n'okukubiriza Abakristo okwongera okuwagira enteekateeka zino n'endala ezibangibwawo olw'okutumbula obulamu bw'omuntu wa bulijjo. Ebiseera bingi tulidde Kereziya ng'evumirira embeera ezinyigiriza abantu omuli okusosolwa olw'eddiini, eggwanga n'endowooza zaabwe mu by'obufuzi. Obuvumu buno obw'okwogera amazima, okulwanirira eddembe, okwegatta n'okussa ekitiibwa mu ddembe ly'obuntu, tusaba Kereziya ebwongere mu maaso. Ffenna wamu tukubiriza abantu baffe naddala abavubuka obutakyamizibwa buyinza wadde okugulibwa ssente ng'eggwanga lyaffe liggwawo olwa bannabyabufuzi ab'ekkusa bokka na bokka. Ekiseera kituuse ffenna okugatta eddoboozi okusaba abatukulembera ne bannayuganda bonna okukubaganya ebirowoozo ku butali bumativu obuli mu kukulemberwa n'okugabana eby'obugagga bw'ensi yaffe mu kyenkanyi nga tuyita mu kwekebejja constitution n'amateeka amalala agafuga eggwanga lyaffe.
The Right Honorable Robina Nabanja also congratulated the Catholic community, appreciating the large turnout for the event and recognizing the members of Parliament who contributed to the construction of the cathedral.
Munzikirize njozaayoze mwenna aba Cathedral y'e Lubaga olwa kino kye tutuuseeko olwaleero. Njagala obbasiima olw'okwaniriza Oweekitiibwa Pulezidenti w'eggwanga His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Njagala okubasiima mwenna olw'okujja mu bungi bwe muti. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Baminisita bange mubalaba nga bwe tuli. Honorable Kasule Lumumba bamwanjudde ate naye yawaayo ettu, nsaba tumusiimeko. Honorable Misa Kabanda ye minisita waffe ow'e Kampala. Honorable Mao ettu yalireeta naye ate tuli naye wano. Ne Kabanda ngambye nti munayogera ku ttu naye tuyaleeta luli nga tannaba kwewandiisa. Honorable Judith Nabakooba naye tuyaleeta ate naye waali wano. Wamu ne Honorable Jesse Miyingo ate yasabira wano ate tuyaleeta. Ate agambye akyaleeta nti ye takoowa ajja kusigala ng'akyaleeta.
The Most Reverend Paul Simogerere, Archbishop of the Kampala Diocese, shared a brief history of the cathedral and expressed his appreciation for the church leadership that has faithfully served over the years.
For it was here that Kabaka Mwanga donated his royal palace land to the church. The very ground on which this cathedral stands today. Indeed, this is a holy place where God meets his people. And we thank all the bishops, priests, religious, and lay faithful who have served here through the generations.
Lubaga Cathedral, located on Lubaga Hill in Kampala, is the oldest Roman Catholic church. Lubaga Cathedral, located on Lubaga Hill in Kampala, is the oldest Roman Catholic cathedral in Uganda and serves as the headquarters of the Catholic Archdiocese of Kampala. Renowned for its Romanesque architecture, the cathedral was constructed between 1914 and 1925. The land, formerly a royal palace, was donated to Catholic missionaries in 1889 by Kabaka Mwanga II. Despite interactions such as World War I, construction resumed and the cathedral was consecrated on December 31st, 1925. Since then, it has stood as a powerful symbol of the Catholic Church's establishment and growth in Uganda.